Hey everyone, my name is Will, welcome to Room Goods. So there's another way to get a free silicone cover for your Oculus Quest 2, but this time it's not from Facebook or Oculus. Plus you can actually get a color version of the silicone cover. Let's get into it. So as you may know, Oculus is offering a free silicone cover for the Oculus Quest 2 because people are experiencing skin irritations where the foam portion of the facial interface is touching the skin. Now, if you want more details on how to get a free silicone cover from Oculus, I'll leave a link below, or you can click on the card on the right hand corner of the video. Now, according to the Oculus site, they are offering a free dark gray silicone cover for those who have bought or will purchase a Oculus Quest 2. However, there's another way to get a free silicone cover, but this one is actually from VR Cover themselves. For those who are not familiar with the company, VR Cover offers VR accessories such as the foam interface, the lens cover, replacement strap. Personally, I find their products pretty comfortable. It really does enhance the comfort of the VR headsets. So they have a promotion going on. If you're looking into purchasing a lens protector for your Oculus Quest 2 or your Quest 1 or even your Rift S, this might be the perfect time to actually buy one. Because with that purchase, they will be including a free silicone cover, but what makes it different from the Oculus's offer, you can actually select a colored silicone version like the mint, magenta, orange, or gray. Now, as far as the VR Cover lens protector, it will help the Quest lenses from minor scratches or dirt or smudges because according to the description, it has a abrasion resistant and anti-smudge coating as well as blue light filter on the lenses to help reduce eye fatigue. Now, like I said, the lens protector are also compatible with the Oculus Quest 1 as well as the Oculus Rift S. But if you guys are not interested in the lens protector, good news, you don't actually have to purchase the lens protector. You may be interested in other products like the Elite head strap foam or the controller grip or maybe even the carrying case for your Quest 2. You can still get a free silicone cover for the Quest 2 with those purchases as well. So it's basically a free silicone cover with any order. So to get this deal, you just need to add an item to your shopping cart and then add your favorite silicone cover. You should see a discount of minus $9 US. So you would just be paying for the other items you have selected along with the shipping and taxes. Of course, this depends on where you live, so the prices will vary. Then you just have to fill in your email and personal information over here. And the next screen is filling out your shipping information and your shipping method. And the last step is filling up your information on your payment method like your credit card information. And that's pretty much it. That's how you get a free silicone cover from VR Cover. Now, I just want to warn you, the supplies are limited, so check out this deal as soon as you can. I'll leave a link in the description. Alright guys, that's all I got. If you liked the video, press the like button and consider subscribing. Talk to y'all later.